All right. So yeah, what's up, guys? Hope you all doing great. I'm doing fine, and time is exactly like 9:25. We are 5 minutes prior to AM Open, Equity Open in New York, and the date is 25th July 2025, and it's Friday. So whenever it's Friday, if you're an ICT trader, you know that we will be probably expecting what is it called? Yeah, thank God it's Friday setup. So TGIF setup. As of now, we can say it is a bullish week. Okay, so as of now, the candles are good. It's a bullish week, and in daily time frame, we can already see these highs are taken. Right, these highs are taken out. So these SLs liquidities have been taken, and in ES, even in ES, there is a this liquidity got taken out, and in CVD, yeah, see, even in CVD, it looks the same. So in 4 hours, if you can see, there is a 4-hour FEG which has been already traded into. So it's delivered, right? So I don't think this 4-hour FEG will be respected, but we have to be cautious that that might still happen. But I'm just saying that this has already been traded into. And looking coming into the lower time frame, we can see the London lows, which has been taken out. Let me just quickly rewind what's happening for today. So if you can see in Asian session, there is a market made an higher high. So there is this range here, and during London session, market reversed. Asian lows got taken out, and it was a trending London session, right? So it was trending for around 50 points, right? So now, prior to the AM session, what is happening is we can see the London lows, liquidity got taken out. Okay, and below the London lows, is there any liquidity? Yes, we are already trading into the 1 hour and 4 hour liquidities. So going into the 5 minutes time frame, what I might be expecting in AM open is I might be expecting price to go higher. Yeah. So these will be our you know low hanging liquidity. Yeah, and our final target will be this London highs. So that's what I'm expecting in New York session, and I don't think this FVG is going to. I mean, the bearish PDA race, they'll be working towards going and making price lower. I don't think that will happen. It's my anticipation, so I will be looking for longs in AM session. So I want this 15 minutes candle to be taken out. Yeah. So candle should close above it, and in 5 minutes, yeah, you can see there is an FEG here. So this should get inversed. So this 5 minutes FEG should get inversed. If all this happens, we can clearly, without any doubt, we can go long, or else we should be cautious. So we are just 40 seconds more for the aim open, and looking in the forex factory, we can see Trump just opened his mouth. So he wrote something. Trump 50-50 chance of making deal with EU. Trump on trade. Most deals done by August 1. No very happen for the deal with China. I don't know whatever this result is going to be, but whenever Trump says something, the volatility is going to be high. So as you can see, it's a red folder, and in 22 minutes, the news came 22 minutes ago, and I could see there are some top comments here. This fucking clown always talks some shitty nonsense things. And someone said, "Yep, there are signs in the recent news and weird strange are happening." He set it again, so he hit back again. Take gets away from this guy. Oh, so looks like Trump tweeted it. Or what's wrong with Donald Trump? He's talking about market with the shit tweets. Actually, bro, it's a good news for traders because he when Trump talks, he brings volatility, and if you are trading right, the delivery will be good. So it's not like Trump is like making the markets worst. He's actually making the market like the volatility is the best friend of intraday traders, right? So he's bringing in volatility. So other newses are other stuffs like the red folder news like FOMC, CPI, NFP. All those are like they are different category, but Trump bringing in volatility is a separate category all at once. Agree with me? So there is an SMT. Okay, so 9:30 open has started. So as I can see, the CVD is dropping below, and I can see an SMT with ES. So I don't want to see Nasdaq going below this, and I will be waiting for Nasdaq to form. I'll be waiting for Nasdaq to form presented FEG, first presented FEG. You can clearly see the selling delta is coming in. So let's say if market is planning to go lower, what might be outdrawn liquidity? Outdrawn liquidity might be this 50% and this low. If this is taken out, then I don't think these areas will stop the market. I feel like it should test these levels, these order blocks. That is saying if market is going lower. There is no presented FPG as of now. That should hold, guys. That 5 minutes FPG, that should market should inverse and hold above it. But you can clearly see that's not the case that's happening. And I do have a feeling that we might go lower today. I'm just waiting for the presented FPG to form. Until then, I'm not going to enter. Okay. Guys, this is a tough situation for me to make a decision. I'm going to pass. Yeah, I'm not going to sell here because look at this candle. This is a engulfing candle, and this could be a potential order block if market is reversing from here. So I don't want to be a part of this one. Also, there is an SMT in ES. ES is strictly like it's like barely holding Nasdaq up. Once ES fall, then Nasdaq will be falling, bro. That's all I know. Yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have just made an entry. So I bought at this area and my sell is below this lows, but I would probably exit if price closed below this present FPG. So that's my bias, and I'll be targeting London highs for today. As of now, you can see the price action is good. This observation FPG got respected, and this one there is an FPG here. So I'm not going to trail my SL in this trade. I'm just going to let it run. So let me just save. Let's say if my trade we go to 15 minutes, okay. So let me say if my trade is going to go over this area, okay, that will be a good trade. And I just want to see in 1 hour. Okay, so there is an FEG here, and then 4 hours. Yeah, this TP looks good in 4 hours. Yeah. So as of now, this FEG just got inversed. Hi, man. How are you? Long time no see. How was this week, bro? It's literally Friday, and did you take any trades? What's the how did this week's trading go? As you can see, I'm on a trade right now in Nasdaq, and it's going good. I wanted a strong close above this area, so that's what I'm expecting because we still have 6 minutes more for the 15 minutes candle to close, and I would want the 5 minutes candle to close good. I do not want to see the VIX going below this low hanging fruit. And this is going to be like an 1 hour trade because that's what today's opportunity is. Every day you can't go and get 2 or 3 hours. Some days you have to go for 1 hour as well. So no, bro, I'm not software engineer. I'm EC. I did engineering, but I'm not CSE student. I'm EC student. Electrical communication engineering, electronics, communication, whatever, bro. We got 15 minutes, I mean, 3 minutes more for these 15 minutes candle to close. And this is a very good candle, brother. Like, look at this. There is no way this candle is going to inverse. But if it happens, it happens, bro. But sometimes that shit do happen. But I'm just saying the probability of this candle getting inversed is lower. After taking the London highs, maybe that might happen, but that's not my thing to worry about. So, hmm, this is what I don't like. I do not want the candle to close below this area. As you can see, there is literally no buying delta coming inside the market. God damn it, bro. So there is this 5 minutes FPG as well. Yeah, so the 10 a.m. open has just begun. You can see the ES is clearly rejecting on the downside, but I'm just holding to this trade. I really want ES to go higher. Yes, this is that. I feel like this is the time Nasdaq is going to take this high. Shit. A lot of selling has been coming in this area, bro. Hmm. One more pump. Come on, guys. Bro, are you fucking kidding me, bro? Look at this shit, bro. Alright. Ah, GG, GG, GG trade, guys. Okay, so this is a beautiful trade that I took, and my account is just 1% away from clearing phase one in one tackle. So cheers to that. Hopefully next week will be that week, I guess. If I'm not, if I'm properly trading, then next week could be that week. Okay, so yeah, we kind of exited at this top. Okay, so let me do a quick review. All right, so let me do a quick review. So the thing is, in what do you call it? Pre pre-trade routine, yeah. Whatever, before taking the trade, we were talking about Nasdaq going higher, taking these London highs type shit, right? And then we exactly told if we are going to go long, then we should be focusing on this order block. So this open should be violated, and if you see in 5 minutes, this FEG should get inversed. This pink shit, this one should get inversed. So that was what I said in before 9:30 open, and exactly at 9:30 open, if you can see, that's what happened. Yeah, we tapped into this, and a last bunch of selling came in. All right, but then look at this price action, bro. I just literally marked this shit when we were on live. So if you can see, but I don't trade this way, but I'm just reading the price action like that. So if you can see, market fell, right? And then this is an engulfing candle. Market took this high, and this down close candle is supposed to be acting as a support, right? So you can see market price came here, tapped into this shit, and then it was going higher. So the thing is, the delivery, it's quite okay. It's not like an FPG market is uh, giving a displacement before going higher. But the delivery is simple and it's strong. You can see every down close candle got respected, right? So this is what this is a high time frame order block, and this is the line I drew. So our entry was inside the order block. Okay, so the reason I entered here is because I saw this presented FEG getting rejected in this area, but after this candle, if you can see, this FEG got inversed, and then I waited for this candle, and you can see once this area got inverse, the next candle tapped into it, and the rejection is coming in. So this is the area where the value is. So I just thought, okay, we are officially bullish, so we might as well as entered here. So I think I entered at this candle, and then my SL was below this low, but I will be exiting if my SL if market, I mean if price closed below this area. So that's it. So and my TP was above the London highs. So this shit is crazy, bro. If you can see, this is where I exactly exited. Like this is like a systematic exit, because if you are waiting for market to like, okay, what if it goes higher, I can, if you are like trailing your TP higher and higher, then this would be a fucked up trade for you. But I just booked at the stop, so I'm good. So it's a good week for me, and let me journal this one, bro. So it's a very good week for me, yeah. So mm, yeah. $9.45. So stop loss was 23,209. Target is 23,283. And my account balance, I don't give a shit. Entry price 23,239. Exit price 23,283. Risk amount was, I think, around 60, nah, 55 or something. And profit or loss amount was like, I think around 65. Yeah, and I don't see any slippage here. Okay, so the loss that I got is around 15, and the unrealized profit was around 70. Trade duration is like 27 minutes. Strategy, it's run play to neon. No, no, no. It's when the bridge is falling down, and Entry is inverse percentage FPG, right? Yeah. The time frame I was referring 5 minutes. So market conditions was trending. Volatility is medium. No, there is no news. But yeah, there was Trump was talking some shit. So confident, yeah, I was confident though. Rating, setup rating, I would give it a solid 8. And mistake category, I think there's no mistake. Trading rules followed, yes. And what's my analysis though? So looking at my trade notes. So pro. Okay. All right. So the trade is done. I don't need this anymore. I will just okay. So this was our trade, right? All right, guys. So that's it for today, and I hope you all learned something. And yeah, this is a good week for me. And, this weekend I'll be having some, you know, uh, trade reviews, and I'm planning to put some videos on trade reviews. So yeah, so I'm going to end my stream, and we'll catch back on Monday. So yeah, this is your boy CK signing off. GG.